Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your start menu and taskbar which are unresponsive or not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So look at your keyboard and press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys or Ctrl Shift and Escape. The moment you've clicked those keys, you'll be able to open your task manager. Once you've opened it, expand it, and proceed to run new task. Okay? Simply click it to open this create new task window. Here you need to type control.exe, then click on OK to proceed. So once you've opened your control panel window, if your window doesn't look like this, proceed to view by and change it into large icons. After that, look for date and time. Once you find it, click on it. And here in the date and time window, you can see there are three options. Proceed to internet time. Okay, go for change settings and make sure that the synchronized with an internet time server is unchecked. If in your case it is checked, then click on it to uncheck and click on OK to proceed. Once done with the internet time, proceed to date and time. And here you need to proceed with change date and time. Okay, so here's the catch. You need to set the date into few days after your current date. So today is the 21st day of February 2025. So I'll be going with the 23rd day of 2025 of February. Once done, click on OK and then OK once again. So in that manner, you have just changed your date into the few days after of your current daytime. Okay? So once you're done with this, simply close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Just have to press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together and you will find there a power button. Just simply click on restart. Okay? So once you have relaunched your computer again, check if your start menu and taskbar if it's working again. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the next step, which is you need to press again Control Alt and Delete keys together or Control Shift and Escape keys together. In case you don't find the escape keys, it is in shortcut which is ESC, aligning your function keys. Again, Control Shift and Escape keys so that you will be open to your task manager. Okay, here in the task manager, proceed to run new task. And this time you need to type CMD, then click on OK. Okay, so it is not okay. So here, so you need to click this. And here in this command prompt window, you'll be pasting a command which is this reg space delete and more and so on. Just have to copy this. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below and then control V and just have to click on enter. Okay. And the moment you've clicked that, you will be up to the restart of your computer. You just have to relaunch your computer again and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.